Chia. How I got my kidney problem is because I initially have diabetes. I didn't know that diabetes was so bad that it can harm our kidney. One day, he called me up for checkup again. He found that, hey, Mr. Chia, your kidney is no good. It's already less than 20% of usage already. I think you need to do dialysis. I feel that it's the end of my work. At this stage, it's a long-term kind of medical expenses that I have to do. So, no choice, we have to still carry on with my treatment until the rest of my life.
We will provide financial assessment to determine the level of subsidies that we are able to afford to the patient. And along with that, with the physical examination, we actually do provide transportation welfare, or if need be, mobility aids as well, or even medication subsidies.
Dialysis is a long-term treatment. At NKF, we want to provide a safe place for our patients and get them as healthy as they can be.